Good morning, class. Welcome to our English class. Let's continue with the lesson My School Days, page number 17. Third para. The teacher tried to prompt me with the point of his boot, but I would not be prompted. It was beyond me to see that he wanted me to copy the spelling from my neighbor's slate, for I had thought that the teacher was there to supervise us against copying. The result was that all the boys, except myself, were found to have spelled every word correctly. Only I had been stupid. The teacher tried later to bring this stupidity home to me, but without effect. I never could learn the art of copying. Immediately, the teacher touched his leg with his boots in order to tell something, but Gandhiji didn't care because the teacher wanted him to cheat the spelling from his classmate slate. He thought teacher are there to advise him not to cheat. As a result, all the children spell every word correctly except Gandhiji. After that, the teacher told him his parents, but it was of no use because Gandhiji never cheated. He never copied from anyone. So, my studies were continued, but I was not regarded as a dunce at the high school. I always enjoyed the affection of my teachers. Certificates of progress and character used to be sent to the parents every year. I never had a bad certificate. In fact, I won prizes after I passed out of the second standard. In the fifth and sixth, I obtained scholarships of rupees 4 and 10 respectively. Dunce means slow at learning. So Gandhiji's studies were going on. He was not regarded as a dull student at high school. His teachers showed love towards him, and report cards were given everywhere to his parents. He won various prizes after qualifying second standard. He got a scholarship of rupees 4 and 10, and he never had a bad report card. My own recollection is that I had not any high regard for my ability. I used to be astonished whenever I won prizes and scholarships, but I very jealously guarded my character. The least little blemish drew tears from my eyes. When I merited or seemed to the teacher to merit a rebuke, it was unbearable for me. I remember having once received corporal punishment. I did not so much mind the punishment as the fact that it was considered my desert. I wept piteously. That was when I was in the first or second standard. All that good progress and character certificate which showed good result of Gandhiji, he never considered it of himself. He felt shocked when he got prizes or scholarship. He got jealous of his progress card, but he guided himself. And hardly he cried when the teacher insulted him. It was like a stain on which he could not bear. He once got corporal punishment. Now it has been banned. Though he never mind corporal punishment, but on that time he got so hurt. He cried a lot when he was in first or second standard. Thank you, class. We'll continue the rest of part tomorrow.